Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm back to answer another question. This time the question comes from Danielle Conway, and she commented on my Printful alternatives video. What to do when Printful is out of stock. Her question was, what if there are no alternatives? So normally when you choose alternatives, you want to try and choose at least 2 other shirts that are super similar to the shorts you already use on Printful. I do understand that a lot of times all of the colors go out of stock, or there may not be an alternative that you like. I say still try to pick 2 that are super similar or close in comfort, and also put this on your website in your description to let them know that sometimes shirts go out of stock. In that event, or in the case that happens, you can go ahead and put up the 2 alternatives that you normally use for your website. Additionally, another option for you is to just go ahead and reroute your products to another print-on-demand site like Printify. So a lot of times when Printful is out of stock, Printify may have the shirts that you normally use in stock as well. The price may be just a tad difference, but in business and as an entrepreneur, you have to have a little bit of wiggle room to still provide that quality to your customer. So if Printify has the shirts you need in stock, or you can find it someplace cheaper, I would go that route and use another print-on-demand site. No, we don't like to do this, but sometimes you have to do what you need to do to get orders out to your customers effectively and efficiently. So Danielle, I hope that helped answer your question. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.